Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are gonna talk about edible hosta flowers. So I am in my garden. You can see here is my hosta and it's having flowers. I've got some more. They will open in a bit. And with hosta it is really difficult because slugs really love them. You can see I've got one in the ground and the leaves. It's just a bit of embarrassment because most of them are eaten, as you can see. This one looks a bit better. It's in the garden pot. And in the springtime you can eat the young shoots. It looks like sort of like the spears as asparagus when they are coming through, and basically just eat a few of them. Make sure you don't eat all of your hosta. I haven't tried it yet because I'm trying to establish my plant first, and then the leaves are also edible, but in this stage they can be a bit tough to chew, so I don't intend to eat the leaves, but it's up to you if you'd like to try it. And now we've got the wonderful flowers. You can eat them. They are excellent garnish, and you can also enjoy the buds. I saw somebody was actually roasting hosta flower buds, so if you'd like to give it a go, I think it would be in sort of this stage, but I will try to make my salad a bit prettier. So as you can see, this is nice, wonderful flower, and you can have a go, you can have a taste if you like. And let me know in the comments below what you do with your hosta. Did you know they were edible? Do you eat the young shoots? What is your favorite recipe? And what do you do with the beautiful flowers? Thank you so much for watching. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.